我呢條片咧，我哋講咧 equilibrium，我哋嘅 characteristic 啊，我哋通常咧 equilibrium 咧，我哋叫 dynamic 啊，係動態嘅，就代表喐緊嘅意思啊。點解動態咧？就係因為我啱講咗啦，就係咧，如果喺個 equilibrium 嘅情況下咧，rate of forward reaction 係等於一個 backward reaction，佢哋係有做緊 reaction 嘅，但係個 concentration 冇變嘅原因就係因為佢等於啊嘛。OK，就好似乜嘢咧？就好似咧一個人啦，OK，呢個 Mr. 葉啦，OK，Mr. 葉咧上一個嘅電梯啦，但係呢個電梯咧本身咧係即係落嘅咁樣，咁我不斷喺度跑嘅時候，咪你見到即係佢唔喐咯，我唔喐咯，就係因為佢跑上嘅速度咧，同埋個電梯咧個速度咧落去嘅速度咧係一樣嘅。又或者咧個魚啊，個魚咧個位置唔喐啊，點解啊唔喐啊？就因為咧向前咧就係阿魚去不斷游啦，阿魚不斷游啦，OK，咁咧但係咧。如果個水流係向呢邊咧，嗰個速度係一樣嘅時候，咁個魚最尾其實就係冇喐過咯。OK，咁啊即係多餘嘅咯，佢係多餘，但係呢個得好少餘啫。OK。Anyway，咁我哋分喺呢度啦，咁樣我哋咧呢個 dynamic equilibrium 啦，咁我哋會講一講咧嗰個 characteristic 嘅，OK，咁我覺得咧，即係大家都要識得去即係列晒呢啲嘅characteristic of dynamic equilibrium 嘅，源自於就係因為有機會問你 essay 嘅題目，會俾一啲 equilibrium 嘅一啲 reaction 嚟，叫你用嗰個 reaction 去展述，即係去 describe 個 characteristic of dynamic equilibrium，所以咧唔該你自己都 highlight 佢，然後打粒星喺度。即係我唔知佢會幾時咧考 essay 嘅題目。如果考 essay 嘅題目嘅時候，咁你咪好記得有4點嘅東西咯。OK，咁呢啲我希望大家都即係記得啦咁樣。咁啊，equilibrium 咧究竟有咩特別之處咧？首先第一樣嘢就係嗰 all both reactant 同埋 product 咧 are present in the system in the reaction mixture 嘅，你見到就係呢個嘅概念啦，就係你見到咧nitrogen ammonia 同 H2 咧喺成個 reaction mixture 入邊嘅，OK，and they concentration remain unchanged when they establish the equilibrium，個 concentration 係唔再變嘅，OK，咁所以咧你衍生到咧就係嗰個 reaction 咧 never goes to completion，係唔會有完結嘅一日㗎，就好似我哋翻工讀書一樣，我哋冇完結嘅一日㗎，係啦，咁然後咧第二樣嘢就係咧。個 yield of the reaction 咧一定係細過100嘅，因為即係唔會有完結啊嘛，唔會由所有嘅 reactant 變成 product 啊嘛，咁所以咧即係唔會所有 reactant 變成 product 嘅時候，咁所以個 yield 亦都唔會一定去到100咯，我哋大過100個 yield 嘅時候，一定係你做錯啲嘢啦，OK。好啦，咁啊最尾第二條咧，咁啊第二樣嘢咧就係個 rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of backward reaction 啦。呢個咧我重複講咗10萬次啦，喺咁多條片入邊嚟講，OK。咁所以我希望大家記得呢個 concept 啦，兩個 rate 係一樣嘅。好，然後第3點啦，the equilibrium can be reached from either direction of a reversible reaction。呢個咩意思咧？就係代表咧 equilibrium 一開始可以有 reactant 啦，咁然後變成 product 啦，又或者一開始咧佢俾 product 喺度嗰陣時候咧，佢會變翻做reactant，最尾咧都會達至一個嘅一個嘅 equilibrium 嘅，就係呢個想帶出嘅嘢啦。Reach from either direction of the reversible reaction。咁最尾啦，equilibrium can only be reached in closed system。嗱呢一個 concept 咧係好重要嘅。equilibrium 只可以 establish 咧 in a closed system 嘅意思係乜嘢咧？假設咧你哋之前係學過呢個 reaction 嘅，就係一個 thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate。呢個 reaction 其實係一個 equilibrium 嚟嘅，但係點解以前我哋淨係用單箭嘴咧？就係因為咧。我哋嗰個 system 咧，其實係想做，即係如果我去即係decompose 呢隻嘢嘅時候咧，我哋用 open system 嘅。咁有啲嘅呢啲係一個 calcium carbon 嚟啦，我見到好靚仔啦。OK，當佢去做 reaction 嘅時候，呢啲 calcium carbon 嚟就會變做乜嘢啊？變咗做呢個嘅。呢一個 representation 嚟咧就係 CaO 咁樣先算啦。咁然後有一啲嘅 carbon dioxide 咧。就會出咗去嘅。OK，咁當呢個 carbon dioxide 出咗去嘅時候，呢個 system 咪唔會再有 carbon dioxide 咯。我哋當個 system 唔再有 carbon dioxide 嘅時候，咁咪冇呢個嘅 backward reaction 出現咯。所以喺 open system 咧，我會將所有嘅 calcium carbonate 會變晒做 calcium oxide，做呢個 thermal decomposition 嘅。所以呢個係一個 open system。That's why 咧就唔會 establish 到一個 equilibrium 啊。但係若果你喺一個嘅 closed system 底下，呢個係一個密封嘅 system，然後呢一度你不斷燒過呢個 calcium carbonate 咧，佢亦都咧 會有啲又變咗做呢個嘅calcium oxide 啦，而同一時間亦都有一啲嘅 CO2 喺呢度㗎。OK，而呢啲 CO2 咧，其實可以 combine 翻 with 呢個嘅 calcium oxide，然後咧就放翻呢個嘅 calcium carbonate，就達至一個嘅 equilibrium 咯，可以係咁，所以呢個就係呢個想講嘅重點啦，就係、是。equilibrium can be only reached in a closed system， 就係因為如果唔係 closed system 嘅時候，有啲 product 咧係會 escape from the system 㗎。escape from the system 嘅時候，咁就唔會有一個 backward reaction， 就咁簡單啦。OK，咁就係呢4點，希望大家就會記得呢個4點就係 characteristic of dynamic equilibrium 啦。